Welcome, in this video we will learn permanent cross-site scripting, or you can call it as stored cross-site scripting. NetSparker detected possible permanent cross-site scripting which allows an attacker to execute dynamic scripts like JavaScript and VBScript in the context of the application. This allows several different attack opportunities, mostly hijacking the current session of the user or changing the look of the page by changing the HTML on the fly to steal users' credentials. This happens because the input entered by the user has been interpreted by HTML or JavaScript or VBScript within the browser. Permanent means that the attack will be stored in the backend system. In normal cross-site scripting, an attacker needs to email the victim, but in permanent cross-site scripting, an attacker can simply execute the attack and wait for the user to see the affected page. As soon as someone visits the page, the attacker's stored payload will get executed. Stored cross-site scripting targets the user of the application instead of the server, although this is a limitation since it only allows attacker to hijack other users' session. The attacker might attack an administrator to gain full control over the application. Impact: permanent XSS is a dangerous issue that has many exploitation vectors, some of which include user session sensitive information such as cookie can be stolen. XSS can enable client-side worms which could modify, delete, or steal other users' data within the application. The website can be redirected to a new location, defaced, or used as a phishing site. Remedy: the issue occurs because the browser interprets the input as active HTML, JavaScript, or VBScript. To avoid this, all input and output from the application should be filtered. Output should be filtered according to the output format and location. Typically, the output location is HTML. Where the output is HTML, ensure all active content is removed prior to the presentation to the server. Prior to sanitizing user input, ensure you have predefined list of both expected and acceptable characters with which you will populate a whitelist. This list needs only be defined once and should be used to sanitize and validate all subsequent input. There are a number of predefined well-structured whitelist libraries available for many different environments. The good example of these include OWASP Reform and Microsoft Anti-Cross-Site Scripting libraries. Let's see permanent cross-site scripting or cross-site scripting by practical. Open up the browser. Here I already opened PWAP. I will select the drop-down option as SQL, injection stored SQLite. Now let's check for XSS vulnerability. I will type script alert XSS and close out script tag and click on add entry. Here you can see that pop-up message XSS is displayed. This website is XSS vulnerable. Now I will type script document.write cookie plus document.cookie alert document.cookie and end of script tag. Now click on add entry. Here you can see that our cookie is displayed in alert pop-up box and also displayed in entry option. This type of scripts are stored permanently in the website database. It will not disappear until we reset our database. That's how permanent cross-site scripting or stored cross-site scripting works. That's it about permanent cross-site scripting. Thank you for watching this video.